Um, Good evening, everybody.
Good evening.
And are you all ready to graduate from college now?
Yes.
Yes.
Inshallah.
Go out there, get jobs, make money, start counting the money. Yes?
Yes.
Yeah. Any idea how many of y'all will be graduating? In India, how many engineering graduates coming out?
Few lakhs.
Few lakhs. How many? Can you put a number to that? Anybody?
Something like 1.5 lakh.
5, 6, 50, 50?
2.5 lakh.
2.5?
Lakhs.
Okay. I'll say that 2 lakhs is approximately the number of students who actually get jobs, as against 15 lakhs who graduate. Did you know that? Anybody? No, right? And 15 lakhs is the number of graduates who graduate out of America and China put together. And one country, India, is producing that. Okay? Out of that, just 2 lakhs getting employed. One. There's a huge filtering process. Yes, you would agree?
How do you know this fact?
Sorry?
How do you know these
I actually went through these figures, just checked up on all this in the morning. I'll be very truthful. I'm here to help you with your resume. So what do you think is that one essential question which is going to determine whether your resume is going to be looked at or whether your resume is going to be trashed? Anybody? Yeah, one of you? What is that one factor which is going to determine whether your resume is going to be looked at or just crumpled and thrown in the bin?
Board of the HR.
Yeah.
Looked at if you say format.
Exactly. Wonderful
Number of
answer.
pages.
Number of pages?
Yeah, I mean, I can add everything.
So you think a lot of pages, a number of pages would be good?
The short number of pages will be happy. So it has-
Less number.
Less
What do you mean is less number?
Yes.
Fantastic.
That is a hard copy or soft
Absolutely.
copy?
I mean a hard copy. Right now, I mean a hard copy. Yeah.
I think it's luck, ma'am.
What about, why not soft copy also? Yeah, actually.
Same thing.
Why not a soft copy also? What is that one factor? Formatting. Absolutely right.
No.
So what
Ma'am, I
happens?
strongly it's luck, ma'am.
It's luck. Okay, okay.
More than.
Everything in
Entirely
life
attached
is
more.
luck if you want to think so, right?
No.
Everything in life is luck if you want to think
I
so.
have a question, ma'am.
You could just be that average person who thinks luck, sail along, right? I'm sorry.
Yeah, my question is, my mail ID is Killer Vincent. Will they accept? My mail ID is Killer Vincent.
Definitely no.
What?
Definitely no.
No, they show the
No pet
character of the
names.
person.
Yeah,
For
no pet
example.
names, no spouse or girlfriend
Madam, it's my
IDs.
identity.
Sorry,
It's
yeah.
my identity.
But you need a professional name.
See, for an American firm, how does it differentiate a name by Prahlad or Pet?
So what is your full name? What is your full name?
Nandakumar.
Okay, and how? What is your Gmail ID?
Nandakumar.
And what's the server you follow? Gmail. Fantastic. It's
No,
good.
but I want to.
You want a first name and a last name. Is that what you're saying?
No.
Like Killer Vincent. I think it's
Killer
Killer
Vincent.
KillerVincent@gmail.com.
You said it's not accepted.
Maybe it's good for a quirky position.
What's
Yeah.
quirky?
Quirky. These kind of quirky names work well in the creative field, right? Maybe for an ad agency. Maybe.
I would like to add something.
Or for ISIS, if you're applying, you can have Killer Vincent.
Correct.
Yeah, fantastic.
Already qualified.
Right fit, sir. That's what I mean to say.
Yeah, could I have your attention again?
Yeah, sorry.
So what he said was right. The formatting. Let me give you another small, statistic. It's just 7 seconds that a hiring manager takes to scan your resume. Just 7 seconds. So what is he going to look at, or she going to look at? Going to look at your name, your Gmail ID. Going to look at your education, your CGPA, and then anybody suggestions?
Skills.
Your
Yeah,
skills.
competency.
Fantastic. That's your
Your objective.
Okay, fine.
Object.
But
Nobody
before
understands
that,
that.
before that, I think it would be just name, your college, education, your CGPA, your work experience since you're all freshers, probably your internship, and the duration of your internship.
I don't get time to do internship.
I think you should be.
Ma'am, but my college doesn't allow by the
Yes.
time. Yeah.
Why not do a few courses, maybe some
We
voluntary?
don't
don't
have
have money,
time, ma'am.
No money.
Don't have.
I know. It's
But
not, I,
but when they join the college, once you finish the engineering in our college, you will be selected from the campus itself. Why should I need any more
And
courses?
internship is in 8th semester. We are in 7th semester, and now the recruitment is happening. What do we do?
Okay, that's a good question. I think I should check with your college management about this because I will put across a few suggestions to them, saying an internship really lends a lot of value to you.
Yeah, ma'am, I have other suggestions for the college also. Can we discuss that?
Yeah, you could give me that, and I could put it forward.
Yeah.
Just to help you. And also you could put it across to your person who's coordinating between the management and the students.
I did not do anything, ma'am.
Could you get us some internship?
We turned
Not
down some jobs
really.
to internship.
I'll be truthful. I'm a trainer. I really don't have contacts with these companies which provide internship. These are my suggestions. My really, suggestions saying that you should work on these areas so that your resume gets noticed. But these are areas where you need to, look into and
Can I
find
fake
out how you can get
my
this.
internship?
Fake your internship? Absolutely no. Absolutely no. This is somebody was telling less is more. Yeah, fantastic. Who's this? Santa? Only Santa likes reading his long list. No hirer is going to like reading
They don't
a
have
huge
time.
list. They don't have
Yeah,
time.
they don't have.
Yeah.
But if I do
But I have a question.
I have to write it.
I have a question.
Sorry, I'm sorry. There are two of you. I'll take her first. Yeah.
If I have a lot of skills and a lot of courses, I will write.
Okay. How about just sending a link to a professional resume to a website? Is that okay? Like LinkedIn, a blog. These are innovative new ways where you could provide more information about yourself, but not really cramming it all into your resume. Is that a good idea? Does that kind of answer your question? Yeah. You could try it and then probably get back to me. I'm sorry, I didn't hear you.
My question is in the same line, madam, but then you said you give a link to the other blog or website.
Yeah, you could do
but
that.
We are,
Be
we are
creative. You
discussing
could
hard
give.
copy resume, madam.
Okay.
So how can she go to the link?
Yeah.
Fine. So just put the important ones where you actually.
I consider
achieved.
all my skills are important.
I would say stuff like where you've just participated in events are not important. Maybe where you have done well, you've achieved something, you've implemented something. Those are the skills, or those are the achievements that you would list on your resume.
I will show
Ma'am,
some
I
formats.
participated in national debating championship.
Did you win anything?
No, I just participated.
But that's a good enough skill, I would say. To participate in a national level
To
debate.
participate is okay if you put it.
In certain things, not just participating in your college fest. Yeah? We're participating in your college fest is something everybody does. Probably participating in a national level debate competition, yes. You could put it there. This is what I meant when I said don't, the same, I'm good at stuff. Don't be vague. Put result-oriented bullet points. And I'll give you an example of something. Is it visible? No. Okay. The career, I'll read out. The career vision says to work in a challenging environment, demanding all my skills and efforts to explore and adapt myself in different fields and realize my potential where I get the opportunity for continuous learning. Is that a long sentence?
Piano sentence we call it.
Yeah.
Copy from Google.
And it's like a couple of sentences put together. It's like a huge sentence.
Pick and place.
Okay. Exactly. By the time I reached the end of the sentence, I've forgotten what was there in the beginning. Yeah. So, and this is extremely vague. What do you think about the other experiences, relevant experiences? Develop the robust MPEG encoder, set up a wireless link using Java. Really good. Wouldn't you agree?
Yeah.
Yeah, so these are worth putting. Probably this person could have, changed this, keeping in mind these achievements or experiences of his. Could anybody help me now with this career vision? Can I have one of you helping me with this career vision?
To develop more robust MPEG encoders.
Yeah, in an MNC, in a multinational. Yeah, is that good?
Good enough.
Yeah, good enough. Precise, clear, concise. Yeah. This is what I meant when I said, don't just put participated in Techcrity, participated in robotic event, participated in TechFest. These could be skipped. The ones where he won the first prize in a robotic event, in an advertising event, in dexterity, assembling and disassembling of machines, those are worth putting on your resume, yes?
Ma'am, I really haven't won anything.
Okay. So just highlight probably, are you good at academics? Are you good in sports? You must be having some area.
I'm good at being myself.
I'm
Next,
sure,
probably all the trainers will come.
Okay, I'll go with the word. And these are a quick, I'd like you to have a quick look at the do's and the don'ts that you put on. That happens in your resume as well. So answer any question, meaning if there's a question requiring or asking for any skill, specific skill, or any number of, internships done, any kind of question has to be answered. Using power vocabulary, action verbs, examples, quickly.
Formulated, maintained, led.
Built on, executed, implemented, developed,
Allowed
fantastic.
allowed
Neatly
others to-
structured, sorry?
Allowed others to achieve.
Okay, thank you. And neatly structured resume, I'll give you a quick example. Probably color coding helps, would you agree? Yeah? Yeah? Structuring it, yes, catching your attention, making all the difference between getting it picked up and read, right? Okay.
Is it
Going back
ma'am,
to
you have a
scholars.
format,
Sorry?
ma'am?
I'm
You
sorry.
have a format show us that, ma'am.
I don't have a format because I'd like you to use your own brains. Yeah? But I'm giving you the guidelines. Hey, I'm giving you the guidelines, right? Okay. How? I would like you to make a quick note of these two. This will go a long way in helping you. Right? Thank you.